Today I'm making peach crisp, and I'm going to start with the peach topping. So we'll need 1 cup of oats, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a cup of butter. So I'm just using my pastry cutter to cut in the butter. So once it gets to about this consistency, I like to get in there with my hands. It's just easier to mix it up and get it all incorporated together. Alright, we'll set this aside and we'll begin with our peaches. Okay, so I'll just use 6 or 7 peaches. I'll slice them in half, pit them, and then I'll slice them into this other bowl over here. Peaches, we're going to add some brown sugar, and I don't want this big huge clump to just fall in there. I kind of want it to spread out. So it's 1/4 cup packed, but then sprinkled around over the top of the peaches. And we'll add a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of flour. And we'll give that a quick little toss. All the flour is moistened from the juices of the peaches, and we'll pour it into a pan. Lastly, we'll sprinkle on the oat topping. Next, we'll bake at 375 for 45 minutes.